Hey guys, it's me Anirban back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video, I will be discussing about the leaks, rumors and the release date of the game PUBG Mobile India, and also we'll be discussing some of the leaks that came out about this game. Okay, so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. It was a heartbreaking moment for all of us when PUBG Mobile India got first banned in India, and from then every one of us were thinking that when it will come again, whether it will come again or not, whether we will be able to play it once again like we did before. And now the time has come when PUBG Mobile India will soon be launched in India within this month only. And some leaks and rumors that came out about this game is that before you download this game, there will be a pre-registration session which will be going on and about this game, and you have to pre-register for this game before it comes to the Play Store or the App Store. And the game will be a different one, that is, it will be named as PUBG Mobile India, and it will be differently designed and created by the Indian government and also the other Krafton Games. As we all know that Krafton Games belongs to South Korea, and here are some of the details that you will get in this article. Okay, so the PUBG Mobile India will be a different kind of game apart from the PUBG Mobile global version that we usually played before, and there will be some minor changes with it also, as this game will be uniquely designed for Indian players only, and this game will be soon be available in this month in the Play Store and the App Store as well, and you will have to pre-register for this game. And the differences will be that it might be that the game that is the PUBG Mobile India, while you will be playing it, the matchmaking that is done in these cases and will not be able to matchmake with all the other players, that is all the global players, but it will the matchmaking will be done with the Indian players only, that is, as it is uniquely made for Indian players, and that's why the matchmaking will be done between the Indian players only rather than the other global players as well. And let's see what comes out. And also PUBG Mobile India has also officially announced that the game will soon be launched, and there are some of the videos that are live on their YouTube channel page, and you might be knowing that the Instagram page that PUBG Mobile India had, they have not made any changes, because it takes time when your Instagram ID gets verified. It takes a little bit time to update all those things, and whether it will be updating the Instagram page or not, but it is final that the game will be coming in this month only. Okay, so even the official logo of this game is also released on their YouTube channel, and as you can see that the logo mostly looks like the Indian flag that we have, and the color mostly suits the flag, that is the Indian flag color. Actually it is uniquely made for India, and that's why the logo has been done like this way. And also there will be some other changes in the outfits that Indian players will be getting separately, like the outfits, the gun skins and all those stuffs will be a little bit different from the global version as well, and you will be getting some different types of multiplayer options as well, about which some more leaks will be coming out in previous 5 to 6 days also. So keep and watch on their YouTube channel, as they will be regularly posting any one of the videos about their game. And we must be aware that the PUBG Mobile India, that is the thing that will be launched in this month only, was a most awaited for all of us, and we were eagerly waiting for the day when it will come, and let's see what happens. Altogether, the PUBG Mobile India will be a different kind of game apart from the global versions that we usually play. And it's not the case that your global ID will be transferred to your PUBG Mobile ID. It's not the case. It is not at all confirmed yet. And one thing you must make sure that you must not download any APK files from the websites. Some websites are providing fake APKs about that PUBG Mobile India has already launched. Here is the APK, you can download it, but it's not the case. It is not at all released right now. Please don't download those APKs as it may lead to your account being suspended or banned. So just keep and watch on the YouTube page of PUBG Mobile India. This is the official one, and let's see what comes out. And till then, stay safe, stay at home, and thanks for watching. Okay, so hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are interested in this kind of news. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.